Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up OBS Studio for streaming in 2026. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download and install the latest available version, then launch the application. When OBS opens for the first time, you may see the auto configuration wizard. This wizard can help optimize OBS based on whether you want to stream or record. For streaming, choose the option that prioritizes streaming and follow the recommended settings. Next, open the Settings menu and go to the Stream section. Select your preferred streaming platform, such as YouTube, Twitch, or another supported service. Depending on the platform, you may need to connect your account or enter a stream key. After that, go to the Output settings. Here you can configure the streaming encoder, bitrate, resolution, and other output options. If you're not sure which settings to use, start with OBS's recommended configuration and adjust it based on your computer and internet connection. Next, open the video settings. Set your base canvas resolution according to your monitor or content, then choose an appropriate output resolution and frame rate. A common starting point for many streams is 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second, depending on your hardware and upload speed. Now create your first scene. In the Scenes panel, click the plus button and give the scene a name, such as Mainstream. Then add the sources you need, such as your display, game capture, webcam, or microphone. Before going live, check your audio mixer. Make sure your microphone is being detected and that the audio levels are not constantly reaching the maximum. You should also preview your webcam and screen capture to make sure everything is positioned correctly. Resize and move each source until your layout looks the way you want.